Hey there! So today we will be doing this video on American Girl doll and our generation Girl doll accessories. We have with us the American Girl doll wheelchair, our generation salon chair, American Girl doll snack chair, American Girl doll desk, and our generation scooter. This is the wheelchair from American Girl doll company, and you can see that it is extremely well made. It looks exactly like the real thing and it's very sturdy. The design of the wheelchair includes wheelchair brakes and a pair of footrests. The wheelchair itself is very smooth to push around. Let's test it out with an American Girl doll, how well it holds. This is definitely an amazing toy for girls and boys, and I would rate it a 5 on 5. There is so much opportunity for kids to role play with this. It's a great add-on to your American Girl doll collection. Next we have the American Girl doll desk. I already have another video on this where I have unboxed the desk, but let's go along with this one again for a quick review. It's a classic desk design with tip-top lid, and there are two shelves to keep something in between. Let's bring in our Logan doll again to check it out, how the doll fits into the desk. This is another great item from American Girl doll, and if you have the Our Generation Awesome Academy, then you can add this to the playset as well. Okay, so moving on, we have the Our Generation salon chair. It's a beautiful purple color and the chair rotates. The leg rest goes up and down, and you can also modify the height of the chair with this button over here. This time we will get another model to try out Our Generation salon chair. So here you go, another amazing accessory for your doll. Next up is the American Girl doll snack chair. This ideally comes with a tray, but I just have the chair over here. One amazing thing about this chair is that you can attach it to your table, so you can have your doll right next to you when you sit and eat, or when you're sitting and doing your homework. Again, we have our Logan doll trying out this chair for us. So a thumbs up for this chair as well. Okay, so the last thing we'll be checking out today is the Our Generation scooter. The design is extremely pretty and the handles actually move, so you can give direction to your scooter whether you want to go left or right. As always, no compromise on safety, so we have been provided with this helmet. Let's get in our Logan doll for the last time today. There is a strap around there to tie it around your doll so that they do not fall off. The wheels are very smooth and it's very easy to push it around. Your doll can go out in style with this scooty. So that was it for today. Hope you liked the video and see you next time.